In the initial first phase, you said you wanted 50,000 acres and you need 2 crores per acre to lay these roads, give electricity, give in water, connect them with sewerage system. And to provide for this, according to your own DPR, you said it requires 2 crores per acre. Probably because of your scams, or probably because of reasons known to you alone. Now you and your Benamis have procured land here, so you've decided the capital here. Now for 50,000 acres, at the rate of 2 crores per acre according to your own DPR, it costs 1 lakh crores. Now this 1 lakh crores, God knows when it's going to come, God knows how it's going to come. Now, forget about that aspect. Now you want to add one more 50,000 acres of land. You want to add another 50,000 acres of land, which costs you another 1 lakh crores. So you're actually talking about 2 lakh crores requirement, 1 lakh acres of land you want to develop. What kind of insanity is this when the first 50,000 acres itself is not developed? When the farmers are crying about it, that what have you done? Why did you take our land? We are left with nothing now, and there is no development also because of 1 lakh crores that is required to lay the roads, to lay the drainage, to lay the current, to lay the sewerage. So this is the situation there. You're talking about acquiring another 50,000 acres. So the insanity is prevailing.